Hello friends, hope you're all doing well. So today I got a problem with my garage door. So when I turn it on, the machine is running but still the garage door is not shutting down or opening either. I will show you in today's video how to fix this problem. First we have to analyze where the problem is. For that I'm checking everything. These two arrows, the houses with down arrow and up arrow, indicates if your garage door is moving completely upwards or downwards. If it's not going completely up, then you have to rotate it in the direction as shown below, and if it's not completely going down, you have to rotate it in the direction as shown under its picture. Here I tried to rotate it in the arrow opposite direction just in case if the reverse case, and I checked the wiring and other things too, but the problem is not that. Now I'm trying to loosen the screw just to check if the chain is placed properly. I'm rotating it in the upward direction to loosen it. Now I will remove the chain and replace the chain in its position just to check if the problem is because of the chain. I'm not sure though. Now I'm removing the cap, trying to adjust the chain. So pull the chain outside after loosening it. I'm just placing some grease over there just to check if it will work if I place the chain back. After placing the chain back into its position, it still did not work, and so I tried to open the machine. So I ruled out the problem is not because of the chain and not because of any adjustments too, and it's only because it might be because the gear is broken inside. And so after a day I ordered gear set from Amazon to replace it on my own, and when I asked the handyman just in case if he wanted to change it, he said he would charge me nearly $200 including the gear price. So I got the gear set in Amazon for $20, and now I'm opening this machine and I will replace the gear inside it if it's not good. I removed the screws from places where I'm pointing. I'm trying to remove the base to check what happened to the gear set inside. There are screws on the back side of the on the other side too, so two more screws over there. I removed everything, and now I'm pulling out the base. Oh, see, there are some broken pieces from the gear set. The plastic is broken, and this will be the problem for sure. So I'm trying to remove this also so that I can work better. For that we need to remove this cable too. Unplug this cable. So after I unplug this, you can see it. See, look, the cable. You just pull it up so that it gets unplugged. Now I have room to work on with this. I need to remove these things, so I can only do that with the help of a wrench of this size. There is no other way you can pull them out, so let me I removed all the 3 screws from here using my small wrench, and now I'm going to pull out this gear And first I should remove this cap. To remove this cap, there is a small hook clip over here. You have to take this off, and later, yeah, you can remove this cap. This is a small cap which I removed it now, and let's now remove this gear. It comes like this from the top. So remove this gear like this from the top. See, I removed this. Let's put a new gear now. After a lot of research, I ordered this gear and sprocket kit from Amazon. Now this kit also comes with the grease, so I'm just greasing the tooth all over the gear. If you don't grease the gear, you'll break the gear again in 2 weeks, so your garage don't work again because of the broken gear. So grease it nicely and properly all over the white plastic thing, all over the tooth, and upside too, the way I'm doing it. Grease it like that. I'm trying to remove the pin just to pull out the cap from there. Pull this cap out and now place the new gear and sprocket kit in your machine. Now put it from the top like this, drop it slowly. The gear should sit in its place back. Check it properly and use the screws to tighten the new gear. And let's look it from the bottom. It will be like this. And apply the grease. Apply this leftover grease over here. And around this too. If you grease it nicely all over, you won't see this problem within like 7 to 8 years again. And if you don't grease it, your garage will break down again. Now put everything back in its place after putting screws to the new gear. You should also not forget plugging the cable back, otherwise the power won't turn on to this machine. I'm placing the back frame, but I'm not placing the base, just because I want to check the garage door if it's closing down properly and opening. See, it's working. Just trying to check if it's going back to. Yeah, it's working good. And that's it. The problem is with the gear and sprocket kit, and I changed it, replaced the whole gear and sprocket kit. It's fine now. Now I place the base back in its place and check if you used all the screws. So, out of interest, I'm doing this and not just like to save money or anything because I just want to give it a try. If I can't do it, then I will think of calling a handyman. That's all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.